If you want to understand the secrets of the universe that are unknown to many, then first remember energy, frequency, and vibration. Imagine for a moment that everything surrounding you is constantly in motion without you even noticing, immersed in an endless rhythm of energy. Today, we embark on a journey to explore one of the deepest and most mysterious laws of the universe together with you. According to the law of vibration and the third principle of Hermetic philosophy, absolute stillness does not exist. Nothing remains motionless. Everything vibrates. From ancient Hermetic wisdom to modern quantum mechanics, the concept that everything is in a constant state of motion has been a fundamental principle for those seeking to uncover the mysterious nature of reality. Now, step into this enigmatic realm we are about to unveil. Part 1. What is the law of vibration? The principle of vibration is recognized as the third of the 7 fundamental Hermetic laws. These universal principles form the foundation of the spiritual teachings attributed to Hermes Trismegistus. This principle seeks to convey that movement is the essence of existence, and nothing that we perceive as solid matter is truly at rest. In reality, everything consists of energy, and this energy is in constant motion. This concept was a revolutionary discovery in ancient philosophy, surpassing the limits of ordinary human perception. The idea that all existence is composed of vibrations is not limited to Hermetic teachings alone, but has also been reflected in various spiritual traditions. For example, in Hinduism and the Vedic scriptures, Om is considered the primordial sound and the initial vibration of creation, spreading throughout every part of the universe. The ancient Egyptian and Greek civilizations believed that understanding this cosmic rhythm was the true key to attaining harmony and wisdom, as they recognized that the universe is in a continuous state of motion and transformation. The ancient Greek philosopher Heraclitus famously stated that everything flows, and change is the only constant and unchanging truth in life. In Hermetic tradition, vibration serves as a bridge between the visible and the invisible, the material and the spiritual realms. This is precisely why the law of vibration is fundamental to gaining a deeper understanding of the other Hermetic laws, as it clearly illustrates the intricate connections between matter, consciousness, and divine existence. Matter is essentially condensed light. The physical world you perceive is, in essence, light vibrating at an extremely low frequency. In reality, every form of matter and energy vibrates at a specific frequency, and this frequency determines the characteristics and essence of each being or thought. Modern science today confidently confirms the truths that ancient civilizations instinctively understood. In the field of quantum physics, it is well known that the material world consists of atoms and constantly moving, vibrating subatomic particles. This continuous motion creates the reality we perceive. While this reality may not be as fixed and unchanging as our senses lead us to believe, it is, in fact, more fluid and transient. According to Albert Einstein's famous insight, everything in the universe consists of energy and vibration. He viewed matter and energy as different forms of the same fundamental essence. In reality, this principle aligns perfectly with Hermetic philosophy, which suggests that everything is a vibrating manifestation of a unified fundamental source. In summary, the law of vibration is considered one of the foundational pillars of Hermetic cosmology. It teaches us that the universe is not composed of fixed, separate objects, but rather a continuous, interconnected field of energy in constant motion. Those who comprehend and embrace Hermetic wisdom strive to attune themselves to the highest vibrations, both in mind and spirit. As a result, they achieve a deeper connection with the All, the ultimate source of existence. Part 2. The concept of vibration in the quantum world. To deeply understand the law of vibration, it is important to relate it to modern science, especially quantum physics. This is because quantum physics shows us that both matter and energy are inherently in a state of constant motion and vibration. According to quantum physics, everything we perceive as solid matter is actually composed of constantly moving subatomic particles, protons, neutrons, and electrons. These fundamental elements form atoms, which in turn are in continuous motion, vibrating at different frequencies. Even in a state of absolute stillness, this vibration persists, forming the foundation of matter. This means that whether it is a grain of sand or any other object, Each has its unique vibrational frequency, which, together with other particles and energies, determines its external form. Atoms, once considered the smallest indivisible components, are in fact made up of even smaller particles like quarks and gluons, which also continuously vibrate. This endless movement shows us that the universe can be understood as a complex web of vibrations. According to the law of vibration, nothing is truly still or static. Everything is in a constant state of change and flow. The German physicist Werner Heisenberg introduced the uncertainty principle, which states that it is impossible to precisely measure both the position and velocity of a particle at the same time. This revolutionary principle demonstrated to scientists that at the quantum level, matter does not have a fixed form. Rather, it appears and disappears within waves of probabilities, then reforms as a particle. Here we once again see the essence of Hermetic philosophy. Matter is not a fixed reality, but rather a temporary concentration of vibrating energy. These waves of probabilities are actually fluctuations and oscillations in the quantum field. This aligns with Hermetic thought, confirming that everything originates from a single unified energy. Quantum research shows that observation itself alters reality. In other words, when we focus on a particle, we actually change its vibrational frequency and behavior. This means that the observer and the observed object are an inseparable whole, interacting with each other within an energy field. Conscious intention and focus can directly alter the outcome of an observed event. This concept is closely linked to the Hermetic law of mentalism, which states that mind and energy unite to shape reality. If physical matter vibrates, then thoughts and emotions, being forms of energy, must also follow the same principles. Today, neuroscience and vibration researchers continue to study how the brain's frequency changes in different mental states. Research shows that when a person is calm and relaxed, the brain emits low-frequency alpha waves, whereas during mental stress and tension, high-frequency beta waves are generated. These mental vibrations not only affect our body but also influence the energy around us. Scientific studies confirm that thoughts and emotions create electromagnetic fields, which interact with other frequencies in the environment. According to research conducted by the HeartMath Institute in California, the human heart emits a stronger electromagnetic field than the brain. This energy field vibrates according to a person's emotional state and affects both the body and the surrounding environment. These findings suggest that by regulating the vibrations of the mind and soul through meditation, focus, and intentional thinking, we can change both our inner state and the external world. Quantum pioneers Niels Bohr and Max Planck proposed that the universe is a type of hologram, where matter, energy, and consciousness are interconnected, forming a unified vibrational field. This means that the reality we experience is actually a projection of quantum vibrations. However, this perceived reality is not fixed. It can be altered according to the observer's intention and vibrational frequency. The father of quantum theory, Max Planck, stated, "Everything is vibration." This idea is perfectly aligned with Hermetic philosophy, as Hermeticists believe that the universe is essentially a mental construct and that everything consists of the vibrations of consciousness. Our external reality is a reflection of our internal vibrations. Therefore, by controlling our mental and spiritual energy, we can change our perspective on life and even alter reality itself. If matter and energy respond to vibrations, then by changing our inner frequency, we can also transform our personal reality. Quantum physics shows that, according to the principle of resonance, a higher frequency vibration can elevate a lower frequency vibration. This principle of resonance is the key to raising our level of consciousness and aligning with high vibrational energies such as love, compassion, and harmony. According to the law of vibration, our purest and most harmonious thoughts and emotions align us with the highest levels of cosmic vibrations, ultimately leading us to complete unity with the whole. By consciously developing this ascension, we enter into resonance with universal energy, which allows us to transform our inner world, our health, and even the events of our lives. Part 3. The vibration of human thought and emotion. In Hermetic philosophy, vibrations are not restricted to physical matter alone. Thoughts and emotions are also seen as energetic forms, each carrying its own unique frequency. As Hermes Trismegistus taught, the ever-vibrating universe encompasses not only what we can perceive and touch, but also our internal experiences. Here, the principle of vibration takes on a highly practical significance. Realizing that our mental and emotional states emit distinct frequencies enables us to reshape our reality by modulating our inner vibrations. Contemporary science has also examined and recognized the vibrational nature of thoughts. Neuroscientific research has shown that the human brain generates electromagnetic signals corresponding to our cognitive and emotional conditions. These brainwave patterns, categorized as alpha, beta, theta, and delta waves, reflect various states of neural activity. For instance, alpha waves are linked to calmness and relaxation, while beta waves emerge during periods of focus and analytical thinking. Each state of mind resonates at a particular frequency, influencing both our physical body and the energy field around us. A constructive and uplifting thought vibrates at a different rate than one rooted in fear or pessimism. The psychologist David Hawkins devised a consciousness scale that categorizes emotional and mental frequencies. According to Hawkins's model, emotions such as serenity, compassion, and bliss hold higher frequencies, whereas anger, resentment, and shame resonate at lower vibrational levels. Hawkins observed that love and inner peace vibrate at a sufficiently high rate to alter one's surroundings and enhance consciousness. This concept underscores the mind's ability to shape the vibrational environment it interacts with. Similar to thoughts, emotions are also energetic waves that affect both ourselves and the world around us. Powerful feelings like gratitude, empathy, and affection radiate outward, shaping the energetic field we emit. Conversely, when we experience frustration, jealousy, or dread, we generate a denser, more constricted frequency, which can have adverse effects on both our well-being and our surroundings. Research by the HeartMath Institute has revealed that the human heart produces an electromagnetic field that extends several feet beyond the body. This field fluctuates in accordance with our emotional state. Feelings such as love and appreciation generate a harmonious, well-ordered frequency, whereas tension and anxiety produce chaotic, disharmonious patterns. The HeartMath Institute suggests that fostering higher vibrational emotions not only stabilizes our internal system, but also positively influences those in our presence. Thus, our emotions serve as a unique vibrational signature that we are constantly transmitting. When we embody joy, kindness, or empathy, our vibrational field synchronizes with the universal energy, attracting experiences and individuals who resonate at a similar frequency. The law of vibration is closely intertwined with the well-known law of attraction, almost as though the latter stems from the former. Recognizing this connection is fundamental to manifesting desires. By cultivating high-frequency emotional states such as love, gratitude, and benevolence, we refine our vibrational field, bringing it into harmony with a more balanced reality. When we make a conscious effort to elevate our thoughts and adopt practices that nurture the self, our personal frequency aligns with the higher vibrations of the cosmos. This principle reflects the Hermetic doctrine of self-mastery. By controlling our internal vibrational state, we take command of our destiny, as within, so without. Part 4. Vibration and the spiritual connection of a human. As we elevate our energy frequency, our awareness expands and our intuition becomes more acute. Intuition is a means of acquiring information beyond logical thinking. In heightened energetic states, the brain emits theta waves, which are linked to profound relaxation and a level of consciousness that supports intuitive realizations. Spiritually, as we raise our vibrational frequency, we align more closely with the universal energy waves. Just as a radio must be tuned to pick up a specific station, our mind and spirit must resonate at a harmonious frequency to capture subtle messages and intuitive insights. Practices like silent meditation and mindful awareness help quiet the mental clutter and stabilize the internal frequency, creating room for intuition and clarity to emerge. These moments allow profound insights to arise naturally, revealing truths and guidance that would otherwise stay hidden from our conscious minds. Love is widely acknowledged in various spiritual traditions as the highest frequency achievable by humans. When we experience love, Not conditional love or attachment, but universal, unconditional love. Our cells, thoughts, and emotions resonate in harmony with divine energy. This state of love is often described by mystics and spiritual seekers as the sensation of unity, where the illusion of separation fades, and we feel interconnected with all that surrounds us. Psychologist David Hawkins, in his exploration of consciousness, also emphasized that the frequency of love can transform an individual's entire life experience. He defined love as a potent energy that dissolves fear and can literally heal both the person expressing it and the environment surrounding them. From a Hermetic standpoint, when we vibrate in love, we merge our personal energy with the creative force, bringing light and healing not only to ourselves but to the collective. One practice that elevates our energy to the frequency of love is compassion. By directing feelings of love and understanding toward all beings, including ourselves, we break free from low-frequency emotions like judgment and anger, thus creating an energetic field where the divine can manifest. Forgiveness, for instance, is one of the quickest ways to elevate our vibration, as it frees us from heavy emotional burdens and opens us to the frequency of love. At the height of vibrational elevation, many report experiencing states of unity. This is the moment when, through deep meditation, spiritual ecstasy, or practices like yoga and qigong, we connect to a cosmic frequency where the distinction between self and others vanishes. In Hermetic philosophy, this experience is seen as a return to the source, where the individual recognizes themselves as an integral part of the whole. This state leads to profound peace, known as samadhi, a condition of complete harmony with the universal vibrational current. By raising our personal energy, we contribute to the elevation of the collective consciousness's vibration. This concept, referred to as the morphic field by Rupert Sheldrake, suggests that every individual's actions, emotions, and intentions influence the vibrational field of the entire collective. When we vibrate with peace and compassion, we are infusing these qualities into the collective field, affecting those around us and creating a more harmonious, energetic environment. Raising the collective vibration is a spiritual duty and an act of service as we become channels for divine energy on earth. As mystics and sages have taught, when we raise our own frequency, we become a beacon that inspires and awakens others. A famous saying encapsulates this idea: be the change you wish to see in the world. Thus, our spiritual mission is to elevate our personal vibration, and in doing so, contribute to a more peaceful, loving, and interconnected world. Part 5. The use of the law of vibration in daily human life. Now that we recognize our ability to transform our reality by shifting our own frequency, the next step is to understand how to practically apply this knowledge. Here are a few straightforward methods. Conscious words and thoughts. Our words and thoughts shape the kind of energy we emit. Each negative thought, each harsh word produces a heavy vibration that impacts both our physical and mental well-being, as well as our surroundings. Nurturing positive language and a constructive mindset raises our energy frequency. Meditative practice. Meditation is a technique that enables us to adjust and elevate our personal frequency. This daily routine fosters mental and physical equilibrium, aligning the vibrations of both body and mind. Connecting with nature. Nature embodies pure and harmonious energies. Strolling through a forest, resting on the sand, or immersing ourselves in the ocean tunes our frequency with these natural forces. Numerous spiritual traditions encourage connecting with nature as a means of healing and restoring energetic balance. Diet and physical wellness. What we consume directly affects our frequency. Plant-based foods, such as fresh fruits and vegetables, carry a higher energy than processed and mass-produced items. Taking care of our well-being through mindful eating helps us maintain higher energetic states. By nurturing elevated thoughts, pure feelings, and a connection to the higher self, we align our vibration with the pulse of creation. This is the true essence of the spiritual path, raising our frequency until it resonates with the cosmos, allowing us to experience unity, universal love, and oneness with all. Let us remember, in every thought and action, that we are made of the same rhythm that moves the stars, the same breath that gave life to the earth. Thank you for watching.